Chute. Quorum now. Clerk, kindly proceed to call the first order.
Order number 1, communication from the chair.
Honorable Senators, you will recall that at a sitting of the Senate held on Thursday, the 7th of March, 2024, I appointed today, Wednesday, 13th of March, and tomorrow, Thursday, 14th of March, 2024, are the days when the Senate will hear the charges for the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. At the sitting of the Senate held yesterday, Tuesday, the 12th of March, 2024, a procedural motion for the alteration of the sitting time of the Senate for Wednesday, 13th and Thursday, 14th March, 2024, was moved and approved to facilitate the impeachment hearing of the Deputy Governor for Kisii County. Consequently, a hearing program has been prepared and appended to the order paper for today. Honorable Senators, as is the tradition, and in line with the schedule of activities for an impeachment hearing in plenary, the Senate will hold a closed preparatory session to deliberate on the management of the investigation. The objective of the preparatory session is to ensure that the process is conducted seamlessly and concluded timeously and in line with the requirements set out under the County Governments Act and the Senate standing orders. I now therefore direct the parties, all members of the public and the media to withdraw from the chamber and the galleries, and that any form of broadcast from the chamber to cease forthwith. In accordance with the hearing program for an impeachment hearing and plenary, the open session will commence at 11 a.m. I thank you, Honorable Senator.